Hi guys, uh, kelechi here again. This is a walkthrough for a banking app front end project. I'm going to start with the functionalities. So there are five basic functionalities in this banking app. The first is create account function. On the create account function, this function allows you create an account. I'm going to enter my name, my email, and then password. Notice the required error message popping up. It's an indication that I cannot get past this page if I do not enter any data in this field. So I'm going to set my password now, and this should create an account. So I have the success message, an account has been created. The other function is the deposit money function. This function allows you deposit money. Notice that the deposit button is not highlighted. It only gets highlighted once I enter a character. Now, if what I'm entering, if the data I'm entering is not in numbers in this case, it will not be valid. Notice the pop-up message. It says it's not a valid number. So I'm going to have to enter a number. This is a form. And in this case, I'll be entering 50 to make a deposit of $50. We have a success message. Now, notice that the amount has gone up from 400 to 450. Now let's try the withdrawal function, which is the third function. Withdrawal function would allow you withdraw funds from your bank account. If we enter text, we have the same error message. If we enter an amount higher than the amount we have, we also have an error message that says the amount you imputed is higher than the balance. However, if we enter an amount lower than what we have, say 50, we have a success message. Now, when I come back here, you notice that the amount is reduced. It's gone from 400 to 350. Please note that we're not pulling this data from the back end. It's only a front end application, and that's why you're seeing the static figures you're seeing. Now, when you go to all data, you would notice the data which we populated in the form. Everything is stored here. Then the fifth function would be the demonstrate input validation where applicable. So, and I had shown you that, for instance, here, when I enter text, it says it's not valid. So the input validation function where applicable pops up. That's what it does. When I enter okay, so in the course of this project, we had a couple of challenges. I had a few challenges, majorly when inputting string into the input field for withdrawal. I found it difficult to display pop-up messages, but I was able to surmount that challenge with conditional statements, specifically the if-else statement. On the design side, you would notice that we have the landing page, we have the top menu bar that contains five link buttons, the bad bank, which is the homepage link, create account, the deposits, the withdraw, and the all data links. I used the card component in my design. I used the same card component across the design with the same measurement. And I also applied different colors to the design. Um, there was a form component which I created to retrieve user details. Now, when this is done, the same data I entered on the form will be displayed on the all data page. So that is pretty much what I've done on this project. And thank you very much.